I don't mind even if I'm quoted. Right now, the current president overruns all the institutions. And that is why everybody in those institutions will have to conform for fear. But I refuse to do deals in the Ministry of Finance. I can't do deals. I know. It follows you to your grave. It doesn't go away with the regime, by the way. There are people who are my friends that were caught up in some of those things, including in the central bank. And even by the time they died, they were still being followed by those things. The cases were not concluded. I get very emotional because most of the poverty you find, especially in rural Kenya, where I come from, most of the economic activities has collapsed because of institutions, because of the weak institutions. Actually, there are some people who actually argue that I would not have succeeded with M-Pesa, for example, if it was a different regime. And I've seen it. There is a Minister of Finance who even almost stopped M-Pesa. It's only that I reminded him that the central bank is independent and you cannot direct the governor of the central bank.